What's up, guys? Poor Man's Customs back at it. We got Kingpins in the Skyline because there's a lot of play, and you got some bumps here over bumps. So we're going to be doing Kingpins, and come over here, I'll show you. We got two sets, Kingpins, with all the bearings, bushings, washers, bolts, whole kit. It's not sponsored, but huge shout out to for getting the parts to us so quickly. It's only a couple days after ordering that we got them. Alright, let's get to it.
To the 16th floor, I just need a little more. Rocking out to Lorna Shore, making that thing swing back and forth. Look at us, we're out of sorts. Thank God we're not keeping score. Losing our mind to cannibal chords, making that thing swing back and forth.
Yeah. So there's like this cap sitting in there, pressed in like that. You just pop it off, it's filled with grease. It should be filled with grease, I should say. And then this nut is on top. You loosen that, the arm drops down. Hopefully, it's just gonna slide right out. We don't have to get any press materials in here.
Alright, so we got the Kingpin out. We're just working, got the seal out from below here. Get you in focus. We're just going to work on, there's two bearings inside. We're just working on getting the two bearings out, swap them with the new ones.
Going up to the 16th floor, I just need a little more. Rocking out to Lorna Shore, making that thing swing back and forth. Look at us, we're out of sorts. Thank God we're not keeping score. Losing our mind to cannibal chords, making that thing swing back and forth.
So, we got the arm out, and we're going to be doing some kind of improvised bearing puller method with using a socket and a slide hammer puller, and hopefully this works out.
shore, making that thing swing back and forth.
So we're gonna pull them together to make them go in to have less camber. Yep. I don't know how much of an adjustment this is gonna give us, because this isn't the normal camber adjustment. This is the extra camber adjustment. Normal camber adjustment, I believe, is somewhere. I actually don't know, if I'm being completely honest. This might actually be the normal camber. It just gives you more
Lower amounts at a time.
Yeah, more fine tuning. We're going down still.
Look at us, we're out of sorts. Thank God we're not keeping score. Losing our mind to cannibal corpse, making that thing swing back and forth. Little more. Keeping score. Back and forth. We're not keeping score, making that thing swing back and forth.
Alright. It hasn't been raining for a while, right?
No, not really. I love how excited he gets to be.
But he was more excited about that Mustang.
Yeah,
Yeah.
the one that was in the shop, or just one that he was looking at.
The red one.
Yeah, that's funny. I don't know why he's so geeked on Mustang. I bet you like that's the car in India they fucking promote, like it's the American dream.